Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Excel page. First, navigate to the Page Layout tab in Excel's ribbon. From there, locate the Page Setup group and click the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Comprehensive Page Setup dialog box. Here, you can define your page orientation, choosing between portrait or landscape, and select your desired paper size, such as letter or A4, ensuring your document prints exactly as intended. This initial step is crucial for a professional layout. Next, let's fine-tune your page margins. Within the Page Setup dialog, switch to the Margins tab. Here, you can precisely adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins, typically setting them to 1 inch or less for a clean look. Additionally, you have the option to center your data horizontally or vertically on the page, which is excellent for reports or single-page summaries. Always use the Print Preview feature to visualize these adjustments before committing to print, ensuring everything looks perfect. Now, let's enhance your printouts with headers and footers and define your print area. On the Header/Footer tab, you can add custom text, page numbers, dates, or even file paths to appear at the top or bottom of every page. This adds a professional touch. Crucially, use the Sheet tab to set your print area, selecting only the cells you wish to print. You can also specify rows or columns to repeat at the top or left of each page, ensuring headings are always visible. Finally, let's ensure your print titles are correctly set and conduct a thorough final review. On the Sheet tab, under Print Titles, you can specify which rows or columns should repeat on every printed page. This is invaluable for large datasets where headings might otherwise disappear. Before printing, always use the Print Preview option to catch any last-minute adjustments. Once satisfied, save your workbook. These settings will be preserved, making future printing effortless and consistent, ensuring a polished final document every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.